To manage your chart of accounts, start by clicking on Master Data from the main header. Under the Accounting section, click on Chart of Account. The accounts displayed here are sample entries from a trading company. The accounts are categorized using 3 different colors for easy identification. Orange represents account types used to group accounts with similar purposes. Blue highlights special accounts. And white indicates normal accounts. You can maintain the chart of accounts by simply adding, editing, or deleting any of the existing entries. Let's start by adding fixed asset accounts. Click on Plus New, then choose Normal Account. A prompt window should appear. Under Account Type, select FA, which stands for Fixed Assets. Then add the relevant parent account. Click the plus symbol to add the required account details, including account number and description. Next, add the accumulated depreciation account for the asset we just added. Two of the accounts we just added should be listed in the chart. To remove an existing account, locate the account you want to delete. Click the drop-down arrow next to the Edit button, then select Delete. Confirm your choice when prompted. Now that an old bank account has been removed, let's add a new one. Click Plus New and choose the Bank, Cash, and Deposit option. A prompt window should appear. At the top section, choose Bank. Select the correct account type. Then enter the relevant details such as the account number and a short description. When creating a new bank, cash, deposit, or other payment account, the system will automatically generate a corresponding payment method. There's no need to create one manually. But if you'd like to make changes, just click Edit to modify the default information. Add another bank into the chart. Now both bank accounts have been added in. Lastly, let's add a new expense account. Click Plus New. Select Normal Accounts, and fill in the necessary details as you did before, choosing expenses as the account type. The newly added expenses account is now listed in the chart. That's how you manage your chart of accounts in AutoCount Cloud Accounting.